as a publisher, I can earn money via ad inventories. But effectively, managing ad inventory can bring more profits on the table. And let's discuss a few points related to it. We have already discussed that ad inventory is just like living space, and every hour or day or month is a revenue opportunity for the owner of that space. For example, if you did not rent that living space or once you lost that time, then you lost revenue too. Let's apply same concept to ad inventory. If you did not sell, then it's a loss of revenue opportunity. Once lost is lost, cannot be taken back. So publisher have to plan wisely. If your rented space is in tourist place, you can charge per hour basis at high cost. If it is in city, you can manage to charge monthly price at average cost. Also, with some other factors, you can sell it on yearly basis at a reasonable price. Time, money, and days are very important factors here. Similarly, publisher have to manage inventory between time, price, and volume of inventory, flight range of inventory booked, price at which it's sold, and volume of inventory for that particular time is very important. In general, if the number of people who want to buy the space suddenly increases, do you think it is possible to construct a new building all of a sudden? No, right? It will take time depending on the various factors like increasing demand day by day, etc. Likewise, if demand increases for any particular publisher all of a sudden, new inventory cannot be created at that moment. It will take some time to plan and create because of technical and strategic reasons. If advertisers buy more ad inventory in bulk, as a publisher, offering better price to them not only benefits advertisers, but also publishers can reduce the risk of having unsold inventory. Meanwhile, for any queries and feedback, feel free to reach out to learnersearchglobal@gmail.com, or you can mention in that comment section too. To encourage and follow us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on notification icon to get latest videos from our channel. Take care and stay safe. Stay tuned for our next video.